Whoa, what's up everyone, my name is Abhishek, you are watching Excel World, let's get started. First of all, thank you guys for supporting me, that really means a lot to me. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please guys hit the subscribe button because I am going to post new videos very soon. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very important function and some people are really confused about this function. Yes, this formula is none other than Vlookup function. In this video, I will clear all your doubts, and if you still got any doubt left, please don't hesitate to write that doubt in the comment section, or you can also send me a message or email to my IDs. I will provide the IDs in my description. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So you can see I have a bunch of data here. I have employees ID, I have first name, last name, and in this side I have 50 employees and their employee IDs, how much amount that I have to pay to them. So I want to know that who is the owner of this ID. So I don't want to look single by single from here. I just want to use a simple function that is called Vlookup to make it simple for me. So simply I will write equal to Vlookup function, double click this, and then the formula is saying the first thing is lookup value. So what is lookup value? Lookup value is that the value that we are going to look in our data table. So in this case I am going to look employees ID because employees ID are exactly same, so it doesn't change. So I will look this value from my table. So I will select the employee ID that I am going to look from my table. Then the formula is saying to put a comma, type comma, then the formula is saying table array. So what is table array? Table array is simply that we have to select our table. We have to select the whole table, which means I have to select employee ID, first name and last name. So I simply click this, then I will click Control Shift right arrow, then down arrow. So this will select my whole table, and I want to lock this table because I don't want to move my table to rightward or downward. So I will just simply click on F4. Then the next thing that the formula is saying to put a comma again. After that the formula is saying column index number. So column index number is simply that we are looking for the first name now. So from the table we have, this is our first column, employees ID, the first name is our second column, the last name is our third column. So we have to simply type which column we are going to use for the function. For this I am going to use second column, so I simply type 2 for the column index number. Then the formula is again saying to put a comma, so I will put a comma. Then the formula is saying range lookup. So for true it's approximate match. So if the value is near about to our exact match, so we have to put true. Otherwise if we have exact match, like we have this number is similar to the data table number, we will put the false. For true we are going to put approximate match. So it's kind of similar but not exact similar. So employees ID are always same, so we are going to use false. So I will type false here, FALSE, and then I will close the brackets, press enter, and here you go, I got my value. So I will click this cell, click this, double click this, and you can see the formula is copied down all the way where I have my data ended. And after that, for the last name, I will do one thing. I simply drag this to right, but you can see it doesn't work because in the formula bar you can see that it selects K4 and our employees ID are in J4. So we have to change that and then we are good to go. So for J4 I have to erase this, then I have to click on J4 cell, and then you can see the J4 cell is selected and these data are good. We don't have to change this, but now we are looking for the last name and the second column is our first name. So we have to do one more thing. So you can see our last name are in third column, 1, 2, 3. So here I have to put 3 except for 2. So now I think that's good. So I will just simply click this tick icon and you can see now I got my first name as well as last name. Double click this icon to copy the formula. That's it. Here you go. So this is how you can use Vlookup function. I hope you like my content. If you like, please hit the subscribe button and see you in next video.